As you can see, once you're on the home page, you'll see a search form where you can enter your travel information such as departure, destination, and you can simply start the search. Of course, there's the option to choose a round trip, a one-way trip, or to apply a promo code, for example, if you have one. There is even the possibility to rent a car, book hotels, or take advantage of events and activities. As you can see here, you'll find many other options or promotions on their site if you scroll down the page to see more. So now, of course, you need to fill in the required information, including your departure and arrival airports, as well as your travel dates. For example, let's say we're leaving from Tangier to, say, Spain. Why not? And let's say, for example, we're going to Malaga or Seville or wherever. Now, of course, you need to choose a date. For example, let's say it will be May 30th, and that one adult will be enough. Click on Finish, then on Search. Of course, now they will search for flights that could be possible or suitable for us. As you can see here, I find a flight, but for you, you can explore the flight options and choose the ones you prefer. But before that, of course, take the time to check the accuracy of your entries so you don't forget anything. And then you can even change the dates from here, and of course, select the flights you want. For these two cities, one flight is enough, but of course, if you choose two popular cities, you might find many plane tickets to choose from and explore your options. So after entering your various pieces of information, click on the search button as we mentioned, and a list of available flights matching your criteria will appear. For me, there's only one, but of course, for you, you can take the time to compare the options, taking into account factors like flight times, prices, and any additional services or benefits offered. And of course, once you have chosen your desired flight, for example, for me, it will be this one, so we select here, you will be prompted to choose your fare type. Ryanair offers several fare options such as Standard Plus, as you can see, Regular, Value, and Flexi Plus. And for other flights, you might find, for example, another option. So each one offers different benefits and services. Choose the fare type that suits your needs, and you can also add options like seat selection, priority boarding, or a checked bag if you wish. As you can see, if you choose the standard option, which is value, with small bag, you will travel at this price. And of course, this is my local currency, so don't pay attention to that. For you, it will be about $16. And of course, if you choose more options, it will get a bit more expensive, but it still won't be that costly. Of course, this standard value fare only includes a small bag that must fit under the seat. Here are the baggage dimensions. The baggage end, of course, the regular option gives you priority and 2 carry-on bags. Priority boarding, a 10 kilogram check bag and a small bag. And of course, reserved seats as well. You can specify the available row. And of course, there is the plus option, which allows you to include a 20 kilogram check bag and a small bag, as well as a reserved seat. You can specify or choose specific available rows. 20 kilogram check bags are dropped off at the check-in counter, and free check-in at the airport is possible up to 40 minutes before your flight. And of course, there is the most expensive option, which is Flexi Plus. No flight change fees. Even if you want to change your flights, there are no fees. You can do it for free. If your plans change, you can, so your booking can also change. As you can see, there are no flight change fees when changing your flight online up to 2.5 hours before departure, or at the airport up to 40 minutes before departure. You only pay the fare difference if it applies. And of course, our most flexible package also includes priority boarding and 2 reserved cabin bags, any type of seat, and free airport check-in. As an example, I will simply choose this one. For you, you can choose whatever suits you best. As an example, of course, you can switch here to the regular package or simply choose the standard package. So for me, I will simply continue with the value package. And here, of course, you will need to log in or create an account if you wish. So if you have an account, make sure to log in. And if you don't have an account, you can also sign up. And of course, you can even log in later if you want. Now you just need to fill in your title here, whether you are Miss, Mrs. or Mr. So simply choose the one that suits you. And of course, if you need any special assistance, you can simply select this option, for example. As for me, I don't need it. So here, I just need to enter my first name, then my last name, and then simply click on continue. For you, of course, the final steps simply involve providing some necessary information about the passenger, including names, contact details, and any special requirements. After checking the information, proceed to the payment page, and it will be quite straightforward. Of course, Ryanair accepts different payment methods, including credit cards and other alternative options. So just follow the instructions to complete your purchase. As you can see, I can select the options I want here. Of course, I can choose another seat, for example, and pay a bit more if I want a better seat. As you can see, this is an extra large seat. I can select it. And as you can see, these are all the seats on the plane. So you can choose anything that's available to you. Of course, the ones in gray are already reserved. So once you've chosen your seat, for example, it's going to be, just pick this one. And here, click and continue. And as you can see, they're going to take us to another page. As you can see here, we can choose whether we want this or that. And of course, if you need to check in luggage, you can simply answer these questions, then click and continue. For me, I didn't choose anything here. So of course, let's just take this as an example. Then let's just do it like this and then click and continue. Now, we can even skip the security line thanks to a dedicated fast track. Of course, here you have some frequently asked questions. How do I know if the fast track is available? And many other questions, you can read them all yourself. And of course, there is even plus insurance here, pet insurance and standard insurance, which of course include medical expenses, personal belongings, and unexpected cancellations. And of course, if you pay more, you will get more benefits, for example. Once you have selected everything you want, you just need to click continue. And here you will find the ideal car if you want one, for example. If you don't want one, you can simply click continue again and you'll be ready to go. Here, you will need to enter your email address, or you can even continue with Google, Facebook, PayPal, or simply enter your email address and password. Then you will need to pay for your flight and you'll be ready to go. Once you've done that, congratulations. You have successfully learned how to buy Ryanair plane tickets in 2023 by visiting the official Ryanair website, entering your travel information, exploring flight options, selecting your fare type, providing passenger details, and making the payment. You can easily book your tickets for your next adventure. Thank you for watching and have a great trip. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and advice.